Hello guys, so here is how to complete some of the Tea Testnet interaction tasks. In my previous video, I showed you how to complete the Interact KYC, the attestation. So if you have completed that, you will have connected your wallet to the Tea Sepolia, and you will have been able to get Tea Testnet tokens. So I showed you in that previous video how to complete the attestation, which is the KYC on ZK Pass, and I also showed you how to get the Tea Testnet token. So that is why you are seeing my available Tea here as 99. So the Tea Testnet token is what you are going to use to complete the interaction task. You know, they said you must interact on Tea Sepolia, which is like the second testnet task that we are doing, not we are even supposed. So make sure that in everything you are doing on this Tea Testnet, make sure you are using just one single wallet. By the time you start switching from one wallet to another, or maybe you connected a different wallet on the ZK Pass to complete your exchange, the KYC, and on the Tea Sepolia you are using another wallet, then you might not be able to get any rewards. So make sure everything you are doing is attached to a single wallet, so they will be able to track your records. So that's for the heads up about that. So now some of the tasks you can complete on this Tea Sepolia is this what's it called, this Tea Golf and this Tea Dice Play and Earn. So you see these two tasks is what I've just started doing to interact on the Tea Sepolia. To the best of my knowledge, these are the two I am currently doing. If I have other links to other ones, if it's a different link. You can see this is Tea Dice Play and Earn, and this is another one, Tea Golf. So it's a different link. You just have to be on standby, like active, to be able to get this update. But trust me, the Sepolia Testnet reward is different from the one we did on the the ITNN, the ITIN rather. So the one we previously found, the previous testnet that we did on the Tea ecosystem itself, the Tea blockchain itself, is different from this Tea Sepolia we are doing now. So meaning that you get reward for the ITIN, and you also get Tea Sepolia for participating. You also get the Tea token at mainnet for participating on this Tea Sepolia. So it's more, and there are also some ecosystem rewards attached to farming this tea. So the thing is just split. It's just like saying blast farming. If you are conversant with that, the blast airdrop farming, then that is how it looks like. So I'm just trying to let you know that in case you see another link that is for Tea Sepolia Testnet, you can also do well to let me know. You can join my Telegram community. Check the link in the pin post in the comment section, because the link are not together. They are separate links. So you get these are the two ones that I have currently, and this is what I'm sharing with you. For this dice, Tea Dice, here you connect your MetaMask wallet, which was the wallet you connected to complete your KYC. If you have not completed your KYC, go and watch my previous video about KYC. So connect that same wallet here. Click on roll dice, and you are going to have a wallet transaction. By having a wallet transaction, they are charging you Tea as gas fee, the Tea Sepolia as gas fee, and return you are getting counted as transaction on their Tea Sepolia, if that makes sense. I don't know. So this is still rolling. So like, why this is rolling, there should be a pop-up message here. Why I have to connect my wallet. I have to sign it in my wallet rather. So it's still rolling. So why this is rolling, just to show you what this is all about. So here you just keep rolling, roll the dice to earn. So let's come to this place. Here I'm going to deposit some tea to this page. You see the available balance here is 0. The available balance is that you're seeing here is only showing from the one I connected, like the wallet I connected. So I want to deposit on this platform. I'll click on plus the deposit sign and enter the amount I want to deposit. Then I can proceed with the other to use other features. So yeah, I'll just enter the amount I want to deposit. Let me just deposit like 50. Let's say 60. Let me do 60. Then I'll click on deposit. So I'll have to approve the transaction. Click on confirm. So I think I've deposited to the Sepolia page. So let me see if it has been credited. So let me just refresh this page and see if my deposit has appeared. So now my 60 Tea Sepolia is now showing under the available balance, as you can see on my screen here. So yeah, I'm gonna stake 25%. I'm gonna stake then. Okay, I think the staking is really. Stake your Tea tokens. So yeah, I will stake all of the 60 Tea that I deposited. I'll click on stake. Let's see. And I'll click on confirm. So yeah, I'll click on unstake again. I will unstake 25%. I'll enter 30. Unstake 30. Then confirm. So I think I've unstaked 30. Okay, is my wallet still connected? Alright, so I'll withdraw the remaining okay, let me refresh because it's not bringing out my total. So now I'm going to withdraw. Let me see my unstake. Because I should have. I think oh my god. Okay, my unstake has not been unstaked. Let me unstake this. Okay, so now I have on stake of 30 Tea. So now I can come to the withdrawal and select withdrawal. Yeah, so I'm gonna withdraw 25, or let me withdraw all. Okay, and I'll click on withdraw. So this is the transaction you have to perform here for this particular one. As I said earlier, if you have another if you see another link on this Sepolia transaction participation, then you can let me know. But for my hand, these are the two ones I've just mentioned I'm currently engaged with. So every day I can decide to come here to just repeat the same process: stake, unstake, withdraw. Then I will come back to this governance. I'll come to governance and write a proposal. Okay, what should my proposal be? Enter your description. Okay, let me just Timmy own. I don't know what to write actually. Let me just get Tea Mainnet. I don't know if that makes sense. So I've just I wrote Tea Mainnet. I don't know if that makes sense actually. So I'll just click on write a proposal. So the links to this Tea Sepolia Testnet interaction are not limited to these two. Should in case you see any other one, then it's fine. But as I said, this is my own link that I've been using. Then vote any proposal if open. Let me see if any proposal are open here. We have close. So I don't think there is any available proposal here. So meaning that you have to check back to this page and see if there is any available proposal. So I'll be dropping the link to participate on this Tea Sepolia Testnet in the description box of this video, so that you can interact and you can start getting transaction earnings. So thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel. Also turn on your notification bell and you'll be notified of my back-to-back updates. Join my Telegram community. Check the link in the pinned post in the comment section or the description box of this video. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.